Digestion in animals. Let's discuss its definition: digestive system, alimentary canal, accessory organs and stomach. A process in which the food is broken down to its simplest form is called digestion. It's categorized as salivary digestion, stomach digestion, and intestinal digestion. This system is divided into alimentary canal, accessory organs. There is also two types of digestive system in animals include polygastric, means more than one stomach, and monogastric, which means only one stomach. Animals having polygastric stomach are called ruminants, while other having monogastric stomach called non-ruminants. Humans are non-ruminants. The alimentary canal has following parts: mouth cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. The accessory organs include pancreas, liver, and gallbladder, if present, because in some animals like horses, gallbladder is absent because horse's stomach is designed to eat spontaneously. Stomach in animals. It is important component of gastrointestinal tract of an animal, as it acts as a storehouse for the ingested food. It also causes the breakdown of food in simple form, called chyme. Some animals have simple stomachs while other has compound stomach. That's all. Thank you for watching our video. For any question, comment below. Best of luck.